Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick check-in in case it wasn't really apparent what you're supposed to be working on. Just as another reminder, because it's come up a couple of times um, through messages here, make sure that you are working on the correct week. I tried to post an update about that a couple days ago, but I'm still getting messages about it. So this week was posted for some students that were not going to be around during that time period, so I posted it ahead of time, and many of you were trying to complete work that was inside of that folder, but it's not really set up for submissions quite yet because I don't really want you to submit those. So make sure that you're working in the correct folder, and you should be working on December 4th. So I know like a lot of people were trying to do next Friday's folder. Um, this one here, we're kind of wrapping up some of our digital information stuff that we're going to be taking a look at. Um, and we're going to be moving towards copyright. So really with these ones, there's just a handful of videos that you're going to be watching, where with the John Green one, and then there's a short one about copyright, which we're going to be working with a little bit more in detail next week. You're going to find that there's also the click restraint video questions here. They're all short answers, so just make sure that you're answering all parts of the questions, and I'll get to grading those hopefully pretty soon here after you complete them. And then as of right now, you can just view these things and you can download them and save them if you'd like. We're going to be using them in the upcoming week. So that should be it for this week. Shouldn't be too bad for you. Just take a look at those resources today, and then I'll get you in a good spot for next week. So as always, message me if you have any questions. Make sure you're checking your grades and everything looks good in there, and I'll get back to you. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.